namanye amazwe kuzo zona lezi zinto ze-Forex. I-Forex iyasebenza. If ungakholwa, hamba nawe ubone ukuthi ubaba wakho unayo ne-63. Una-Zakes une-63 ngenxa ye-Forex. uJaguar une-63 ngenxa ye-Forex. Mizi khona konke. Ya ngenxa yalento lena bathi Forex. Yasebenza i-Forex guys. Nina basezweni likaShaka noMisizulu, nina benkosi. Siyabonga. Ngizohamba ke ifundazwe zonke zasezweni laseNingizimu Afrika nginifundisa ngolimi lwenu lebele ukuthi yini iForex.
Sorry.
Yeah. Hey, I tried. Hi guys, yo, Zulu is difficult. Yes, says when you're teaching Zulu in for yo, yes, says. How can, but baby, I can do it, ne? You see, I tried. I can, that's how I was explaining.
Look how tired you are.
You after speaking Zulu, ne? For that long.
Imagine speaking Zulu when
Ha kitla Bloemfontein kitlon tuta hubua hu. Oh, ha kitla Bloemfontein, Mr. Feg.
Yes, sir.
I'm trying to teach Forex in Zulu. Did you hear some few words?
Yeah, I recently joined, bro. I didn't know what was going on, to be honest with you.
Can you speak Afrikaans?
Yeah, I can. I just choose not to, innit?
I've never heard you speaking Afrikaans. Why?
Exactly, because I don't speak Afrikaans, bro. Like, English is my language.
You don't like Afrikaans?
Nah.
Is any of your family members speaking Afrikaans?
Yeah, we can speak fluent Afrikaans, yeah, but we're not Afrikaans.
Fuck. That's dope. Are you guys from the Free State originally?
Sorry?
Are you guys from the Free State?
No, bro. My family comes from Scotland.
Oh, your family is from Scotland. Okay.
Yes,
No,
sir.
I get you, my brother. How are you doing today? Did you see what happened to gold?
Yeah, now it's buying, but did you see the sales twice?
Bruh, those sales were massive. How makes trades lot size 0.5 thousand USD, and the thing is, I only have his code. I don't know of that client. That client is trading. Volume is trading. Yes, says.
Understand that gold is going to spike. Like looking at gold right now on the 4 hour, there's wicks everywhere. So if you can just withstand the wicks with proper risk management and you're in the right direction, you're guaranteed to make money with this metal in it because gold pays.
This thing is good, man. Gold pays, bro.
Yeah,
Go for
gold pays hard.
No, man, that's amazing, man.
Otherwise, how are you doing, Jax?
I mean, I'm good, my brother. No complaints whatsoever. I can't cry.
Yes,
I can't
sir.
cry.
How's the weather that side?
Man, the weather is prevailing. It was very cold yesterday, and even today it's cold. But my lady, she wants us to go to the.
Hey, mighty JJ.
Yeah, man. How are you, brother?
I'm okay.
9/11. Wee.
Hey, Wirala.
I saw a lot of withdrawals yesterday.
Hey, we are pushing a little bit, or what?
That's not a little. 100,000. 100,000. 200, 300.
Jax, are you blocking your mic?
No, I'm saying that's not a little bit. That's a lot of money, man.
Yeah. We are trying. Small.
I saw this lady that is a tattoo artist on your life. I'm like, hey, how do you know that girl? When?
Which tattoo artist now?
I think she's dating a tattoo. Yeah, she's a DJ.
Hey.
Forex traders.
I will DM you then in.
Listen. Don't tell me what I think you're about to tell me.
It is what it is.
That boy was busy dissing this other famous guy, saying he must fuck off from his girlfriend's DMs.
I'm now.
You remember that girl that was posting that I don't know, Mang must forgo from the girlfriend's DMs, and that trended on tweet.
Yeah.
Hey, now he's in Eddie's lives now.
Check. They were in Polokwane this weekend, ne?
Sure is.
Huh?
Yeah, sure.
I was in Polokwane this weekend, but it's fine.
Who was the sponsor of the trip? Because Tattoo Man is not Forex man. Tattoo Man is not that.
It's too much.
Because she was getting free tattoos and not man.
You know. So now I'm in there.
I knew it. You know, when I saw a journey in life, I'm like, Eddie has something to do with this. Tattoo Money doesn't buy 911.
Hey, Jaguar, don't leave me alone. Hey, it's a game.
You were always suspected everywhere. When you haven't been a good guy for a long time. You know, I knew you because I was told to check your profile because we were suspecting you for another case. You've been a suspect,
and it wasn't me.
And that case wasn't you. They were using you to cover their cases. Yeah, that guy that was used.
You know. So I had to take the blame.
But
you know,
me, I was still not convinced until I did my research in the right way. Because sometimes, you know what the enemy does? Sometimes the enemy will give you clues of the wrong direction. Accounts can die. My accounts are booming. I'm posting. I'm just showing you what I want you to see and follow.
And you are traveling from Durban to Johannesburg, you know?
Exactly. You understand?
But I'll tell you, don't worry. Let me.
Boy, you know that one. That one is too much. That one.
Too much.
Boy, that one. That one is on another level. That one. Get it, him alive. Get it, sit, DJ, get it, DJ. I need some that one is too much. That one you can post. That one.
That one I can post.
We're gonna support you in the industry. I really we don't fuck with tattoo nigga.
Hey, my G. Hey, it's too much. It's too much.
I give up on you. You've been a suspect until you started another new case.
Hide your girls.
Hide your woman, dog.
Bruh, the thing is, one thing I'm not happy about, after a lot of admin of posting and taking that famous nigga, saying to him, he must stop DMing. Bruh, one thing I'll tell you as a guy, if you have your balls and they are strong, you can never confront a guy and tell a guy to stop sending your girl DMs.
But yeah,
because listen, the question is, are those DMs answered or not? There's a question. That's a question. That's a very good. If the DMs are answered, that means those people are enjoying the conversation.
But then
Who are you to stop a girl from exploring his future husband? Because when you're just a boyfriend.
Jags, how would you feel though if your chick was DMing other guys?
If she was the one who's DMing.
If they're DMing her but she's replying, that means she's entertaining it.
Bruh, I would never feel anyway. That means basically I'm dating a person who's free and advertising herself to other men. Simple and straightforward. I wouldn't feel some type of way because
then you
be like,
it's not serious.
Yeah, it would mean that whatever we're having was just not important and not serious. That means we're just playing around. And it's not a big deal even. It's not a big deal. You move on, simple.
100%.
Of which I think that's what the guy did when he realized that, actually.
Hey, Jaguar, peace. Hey, let's stop the topic. Hey. It's fine. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out.
I peace
I
out,
Eddie
fam.
gonna speak, my brother.
Yeah, I will DM you just now with the proof.
Ah, okay, man.
Let's leave it, my G. Someone just joined the live, and hey,
And
I
that
might be in trouble.
someone is a dangerous someone.
Mm-hmm.
Let's drop the topic and speak about the market. How's the market? What are you trading today?
I'm on GU and Euro.
I think I'm gonna hold for the entire. Yeah, since yesterday is open, let's go to the beach. It's fine. Let's go.
Hey,
Yeah,
Jaguar. Let me go. I'll see you guys. Hey, it's too much. It's too much. It's too much.
Hey, send the evidence. Hey, send the evidence.
Job.
Hi.
Ferguson,
Yes, sir.
Geo buys. Go look into Geo buys. I bought it from yesterday.
I'll go check it out now. I'm on gold right now.
Your own gold buys.
I'm breaking down. I'm anticipating for price needs to come back into a discount that I'm gonna buy.
Oh, okay, I get you.
You see the
No
same
problem.
thing that I said 2 days on a live ago, like how I'm gonna wait for price to come, and then it tanked off. I even
But
tagged you.
don't you sometimes miss the price? Like,
Nah,
don't you sometimes miss the?
definitely not, bro. So like the way I'm trading now, I always have alerts when price is either coming into a premium or into a discount. The minute price comes in there, I know to get on the market. You know what I mean?
I get you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But gold yesterday was seek and destroy, bro. Like, obviously we were in a nice sell, but that shit was up and down, up and down.
No, I get you, my brother. No.
You know what I'm saying? You know the markets when they want to just seek and destroy, man.
Yeah, 100%, 100%, 100%.
Yes, sir.
No, my brother, have a good one, man. Have a good day. We're gonna speak tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Enjoy. I appreciate it.